know some of you think scaling and polishing and teeth whitening are the same thing. Or maybe you've gone to the dentist and after having your scaling and polishing done, you thought maybe my teeth could be whiter. Well, today I am here to explain the real difference between scaling and polishing and teeth whitening. Hello everyone, welcome back to ToothGist with Blessing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Without wasting your time, let's get straight into the video. I'm going to show you a video of scaling and polishing procedure and also teeth whitening procedure. Do not go anywhere. You are going to learn something from this video. Let's go.
Olha só como ela dança, representa e balança no passinho do gemal. Toma, 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 toma e balança. Essa é a nova onda, geral pegou no passinho do gemal. Geral de...
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this.
To explain what scaling and polishing is, I would say is the removal of tartar buildup, that is calculus, stains, plaques from the surface of the teeth. This is a professional cleaning procedure that is done by a licensed and certified dental therapist. I will tell you what scaling and polishing does to your teeth. 1. It removes plaque. 2. It removes tartar, that is calculus. 3. It removes surface stains from coffee, tea, wine, and tobacco. 4. It prevents gum disease. 5. It freshens your breath. 6. It makes the teeth smoother and cleaner. And 7. It prevents halitosis, that is mouth odor. The important thing you need to know about scaling and polishing is that it cleans your natural teeth. It doesn't change the natural shade of your teeth. It just cleans it from all these things I've mentioned and doesn't change it from the color you came with it to another shade. Do you understand? Now, let me go to the one that we all have been waiting for. Teeth whitening, the Hollywood smile. So what is teeth whitening? Teeth whitening is a cosmetic dental treatment. It changes the natural shade of your teeth to a whiter shade. Teeth whitening uses whitening gel. It breaks things down inside the tooth and it makes teeth several shades lighter. Teeth whitening does not remove tartar, that is calculus, and teeth whitening does not treat gum disease. So, teeth whitening is about changing the color of your teeth. It is not cleaning your teeth. Emphasis on it is not cleaning your teeth. So, teeth whitening is more of a cosmetic procedure. Let's compare scaling and polishing and teeth whitening. Cleans teeth, lightens teeth, removes plaque, removes deep stains, removes tartar, doesn't remove tartar, prevents gum disease, cosmetic procedure, improves oral health, improves appearance. Now you know the comparison between scaling and polishing and teeth whitening. Now, in this next stage, I'll be telling you who needs scaling and polishing and who needs teeth whitening. Let's go. Many people may ask, can I have both? The answer is absolutely. You can have both. In fact, I will recommend you go for your scaling and polishing first before your teeth whitening. Let me clear this myth. Scaling and polishing whitens teeth. That's not true. Scaling and polishing removes tartar and stains sitting on the surface of the teeth, while whitening changes the internal shade of the enamel. For example, imagine you're washing a white shirt. When you add a bleach to it, it enhances the color, the original color of the white shirt to a brighter color. Now, what does scaling do? Scaling removes the dirt from the white shirt, while whitening, which is the bleach, enhances the appearance of the white shirt. So, this is a clear example of scaling and whitening. Kindly note this: if you have fillings, crowns, veneers, bridges, or some intrinsic stains, teeth whitening won't change the color. Please note, teeth whitening won't change the color. In simple terms, scaling and polishing keeps your mouth healthy, while teeth whitening makes your smile brighter. One protects your oral health, while the other enhances your appearance. They are different treatments, and the truth is that many people benefit from both of them. Have you ever had scaling and polishing done before? Did you expect your teeth to become whiter afterwards? Let's just drop the comments in the comment section. And if you found this video very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to someone. I will see you in the next video. Bye.